I was telling God, listen, if you can just get me through this, I won't do nothing crazy for a while.
Oh, you're good.
Okay, my Groupon deals. Oh my gosh, you guys, I just got to the Groupon place. Thank you. Here it is. And y'all, I like broke the button on my, on my thing because I was in a rush. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Okay, so you guys, I was running late. I'm at the helicopter place, so I'm super excited. It should be so cool. I was very nervous I would not be able to make it, but looking good. Everything's good. Removing my bag and stuff.
Hold on to your bags.
Oh, okay.
Because if you're taking them with you, hold on to them.
This one I'm not taking.
Okay.
This one. Yeah, I'll probably hold the camera. Yeah. Thank you, thank you.
All right, you're good to go, dear.
Alrighty.
You can go ahead and put that bag in the lockers, restroom, and water if you need some, okay?
Okay, where is the locker?
Lockers are right down the hall.
Down the hall, okay. I know the rest of these people are pissed, but I'm the one that's holding back. Well, I wonder if there are other people. Well, no, there are definitely other people in this thing that I'm doing. Hold on. I know they were talking about limited space for seating. How you do this? Like, what do I do? Oh my gosh, you guys, not this is a trick. Oh, okay. Figured it out. I'm number 17. We're gonna be taking a grand tour of the Grand Canyon. Look, there go the helicopters. It's pretty cool. Yes, sir. Yeah. We're ready.
You guys are gonna all meet out this door here. You can't take any photos on the ramp here. It's on the private property.
Okay.
Yeah, photos, videos, Instagram, live, FaceTime.
Alright, you guys, we are in the helicopter. So we have assigned seating based on weight, and right now we're ready to take off. This is what it looks like in the front. And you see like the helicopter, the top of the, I don't know, whatever you call it, the wings or whatever. We're stuck in that right now.
Location, let's focus on communication, cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you. At times I wonder why I fool with you, but this is new to me. This is new to you. Initially, I didn't wanna fall for you. Gather my attention, it was all for you. So don't take advantage of my heart. Damn it, to understand nothing. Go a little bit better when you turn it. Give me your location, let's focus on communicating, cause I just need the time and place, time and place. Send me your location, situation. I don't need nothing else to say. I don't.
We are at Eagles Land. We're somewhere. Sunset. We're about to take a bus to Eagles Landing. Landing. It's supposed to be pretty cool. Apparently there's a skywalk with a glass bottom bridge or something. Thank you. And we're about to hop on the bus to get there now. There's a line of people, so I think maybe they got a different tour going. But with the money we paid, we just supposed to hop on our little bus without no wait. Okay, so that's what's happening right now. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I'm feeling sick because I wouldn't say I'm feeling sick, but I'm not feeling too good because I think I'm like I've OD'd on like, that's a bad way to say it. I've like had too much caffeine and it's starting to get to me because I even had I literally been drinking Red Bull every day to try to maintain my energy, and I literally had a Red Bull this morning and it's like, it's messing with me, so no more Red Bulls for me. And then what was I finna say? And then also, like, I feel like I dislocated my right knee. Something's still wrong with my knee. I don't know if I told you guys, but yeah, I'm going through it, man, with my right knee, and I feel like it's swollen too. So yeah, we'll see how that goes, but I'll let you guys know when we get to the Eagles Point or Eagles Landing, whatever it's called. It's gorgeous. Is that an eagle or? Nah, it's not an eagle. I don't think so. Is that an eagle? No, that's a crow, or what was that? Here, like, at some point I need to wear the Chanel-a-Gus, okay? So here we are. Wow, look at this. This is nice. Okay, we're good, guys. I can still see without my glasses. Look at these. Wow. Okay, let me tell the vlog.
If you go up to the left,
yeah,
see how there's the flat top up here?
Right.
And the little like hump, the curved part on the right one?
Yeah.
That's called the sleeping dog. So the head is that way and the tail's like that way.
Oh,
yeah.
But we have to be looking from that angle.
No, it's right. Yeah, you can see it right here. So like the left side of that hump right there.
Yeah.
He's like laying on the floor with his head over here and his tail's like over this way. Some people see an elephant, some people see like other animals, but they call it the sleeping dog, so we're at Eagle Point because of that.
Yeah, I see. That's cool. I'll zoom in for you guys. Hopefully y'all heard the explanation, and you can see, y'all should probably see the eagle right here. It's like the eagle, the body, the wings. So yeah. Y'all, my camera is broken. Like the flip up part of my camera is messed up. Let's see if I can get it fixed. Okay. This is cool. This is a cute little spot. I'm not gonna lie, I was terrified when we first got in the air on the helicopter. That junk was low-key scary. I'm like, ah! I was immediately thinking like, hey, maybe I shouldn't have went ahead and did it. But honestly, as time went on, I was like, this is actually pretty dope kind of thing. Huh. I wonder, what is that? Look at that. But yeah, after a while, I was like, no, let me just stay present because I'm here. Like, I can't leave. I thought about asking the pilot to turn around, but it's other people here too. It's not a private helicopter tour. I'm with others. So I was like, nah, I gotta stick it out. But yeah. Well, oh, huh. Okay, so Native American tribal structures. Walk this brief loop trail to discover diversity of traditional shelters. Okay. Find number of data. Voila. Land. saying that the Native Americans, like, they own, I think this part of the, I think he said this part or some part of the Grand Canyon. So I'm in Arizona right now, I think. I keep being in and out of Arizona, but yeah, yeah, no, what was I saying? So he was saying that they own like this part, like manage covering this part of like, look at this. Oh, I could get a cute thumbnail out here. Hold on. Let me see. I know I had to tell me to get up this morning because let me tell you guys, I was exhausted. I kept snoozing my alarm. Over there. I'm so happy that I did this helicopter tour. Definitely one of those like once in a lifetime things for me. I don't think I will do it again after this. It is pretty scary. I forgot like how bad I am really afraid of heights. I was telling God, listen, if you can just get me through this, I won't do nothing crazy for a while. So but yeah, super cool though, very cool. It's just I'm scared of heights, but very dope, and I'm glad I'm finally experiencing it. But I'll see you guys. Bye. I'm kind of claustrophobic. I don't know if I really want to stand inside. Okay, let me just do it. I was in a freaking helicopter. Stop acting scared. Oh, so different people's names. This is cool. Alright, so now it is time to go back to the bus, and then we're gonna drive back to where the helicopter is. I finished looking around through the Eagles Landing and looking at some of the fixtures that they had, I think of the Native American homes. So yeah, I will see you guys when we're back in the helicopter. Y'all, I'm not even gonna hold you. I think I might be lost. It's not even funny. Is this not where we came from? Did we come from the other side? Uh-oh. I'm stressed. Okay. Because I don't see, yeah, and I felt like this didn't seem right. Oh my gosh, okay. Yikes. Let me see. I'm not in the right area. And he said be there at 1:50. Because it's impossible. I think we have one of these type of vans, but I don't see people outside, so I don't think that's him. Uh-oh. Let's see. To go to Drai's. I'm gonna meet up Hanan, the helicopter. that took time. So I changed at the place and now I'm in the Uber. I'm kind of hesitant about like wearing lip gloss and stuff when I'm not wearing makeup, but I don't know. I feel like, where is this? Okay, I think we're here. Look at this crap I did because I realized my lace front wasn't laid. And so I had a band in my bag and I just threw it on my head. That's how I do this.
That was a vibe.
How was it? No, it was pretty dope, right?
It was really good. Good music, good vibe.
Yes. We recommend Drai's highly. Very dope. You guys, my hair looks crazy, but it is what it is. We're at this restaurant now. Alexa.
It's right by the strip.
Yeah.
Food looks pretty good.
Yeah,
a little bit of everything. Some pizza.
Right. American.
Yeah. So I'm excited.
Yeah, me
Order
too.
some wings.
Yeah, order some wings for some starters. Starters. Start off, yeah. But yeah, no, we'll let you know how it goes. So bad. Just, I don't know. Right now we're at Resort World.
And we're trying to get to Zook.
Yeah.
Travis Scott will be there. He's performing.
Yes.
Are we gonna make it, Funmi? I mean, it's already past.
I don't know.
12.
We're literally our whole journey in Vegas has been Mission Impossible, and we've been making that ish possible every time.
Yeah.
So
Today will be no different.
I think so. We did it at Drai's.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
We'll do it again.
yeah, hopefully. So, Hanan.
Yeah.
So essentially,
Okay.
let's get in the light and then tell
Okay.
them. Maybe we tell them in the light. We'll tell you guys
Okay.
what happened. Yeah. Very cute for us.
So I forgot to film when we got to the main building, but we ended up not making it in time, so we decided to head to Drai's.
So it's the following day. Yo, I passed out with my makeup on. Like, I'm so tired. And now Hana has already left. Her flight was in the morning. My flight is in the evening. I'm about to go ahead and check out at the front desk right now. Y'all are catching me at a good time because let me tell you, just a minute ago, just a minute ago, I was about to cry because I thought I lost my Chanel shades, and then it was giving game over for me. I'm sad, you know what I mean? Like, but then, you know, I felt God tell me, go ahead and look in this area, and found it. So we're back in business, but I think I'm gonna chill. I'm gonna chill just in the lobby of the hotel. Not too much today. I'm tired. Okay, I'm tired, boss. I'm tired. So I'm gonna chill in the lobby of the hotel, and I think I might order Benihana's too, because when I had it like 2 days ago, when I ordered that, it was pretty good. So, all right, I'll see you guys.
One thing I want to make note of is that we requested multiple times for somebody to come and clean our room, and you know, we'd be calling in between going out like, hey, can somebody come and clean our room? But nobody ever came. The internet is also like iffy. The Wi-Fi was not the best at all. So I want to definitely tell you guys that.
Okay, so we are headed downstairs. Got everything. I got my luggage over there. I'm gonna chill in the lobby and check out. This is my outfit fit. It's so random though because I never wear anything to the airport. This is my airport fit I'm in. This is random because I never wear anything to the airport except for like leggings and a top. So the fact that I'm wearing this right now, crazy. Oh, I missed the elevator. It's the elevator, you guys. But yes, I'm gonna dress this time today. So my face is swollen. I've been eating so much, drinking. I can't wait to like just detox and just be home in the bed. You know what I mean? I've been outside. I need to be giving homebody vibes, but I'm tired. And it's showing. My whole face is inflamed, swollen, stomach, just gut, just popping out. You know what I mean? Like it's just too much. Okay, you guys, so I decided to come out to the pool because we never got a chance to see what the pool was giving. I don't have on no sunscreen. I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna burn. But let me see. I'm gonna try to sit under one of these hoods. All right, you guys, so I came to the pool area and I've literally just been laid out here, kind of falling asleep off and on. But like when the heat just be hitting, I had to switch positions, turn to like the left, turn to the right. I was in the shade before, but then it got a little cold. I was in a little breeze. I had ordered Benihanas, so I already ate. But I just chilled out here, man. Oh my gosh, I'm exhausted. But it's like I can't like fully like sleep like how I want to, and then also my knee is just in so much pain. So I don't know. I don't know if you guys can see me, but right now I'm at Bazaar Meet by Jose Andres or something like that. I know we have a bazaar in Miami, and I've been to that one, and I think it's called Bazaar. Yeah, I've been to that one, and it was pretty cool when I went. So I wanted to try this one out here. So this will be my last stop before I go to the airport, because time is going. But yeah. All right, guys, I'm leaving the Bazaar place. Drinks were bomb, so freaking good. So, and I really have no business continuing to drink. Look at my face, so freaking swollen. Y'all, inflammation is going dumb right now because sugar, sodium, alcohol intake, processed foods out the bando. Like, the girl has just been doing a lot. But literally now I'm called my Uber, so now I'm headed to the airport. So I will see you guys there. Bye.